In this episode, we will cover the details found on the workshop page within the Diagnostics tab. You can access the workshop window by clicking the Diagnostics Workshop tab. Alternatively, you can use the F5 shortcut or use the small letter I icon located on the right side of the tab strip. The Change List section in this tab provides details regarding the computer code to which you are currently connected to the gas controller. Additionally, the program shows the date of the first modification, along with the computer code on which it was performed. Below, you can see the list of recent changes, connections. The table contains modification dates with the assigned computer code on which it was introduced. Remember? This information allows you to check the controller's history and determine whether a given controller has been modified by unauthorized computers. The bottom of the window shows the controller operating time, separated into time running on gasoline and time running on gas. The total operating time of the controller is also shown. You will find two tabs located on the right-hand side. In the Information tab, you must input vehicle details, including power, capacity, turbo engine type, and the size of the installed injectors, the year of production, and an additional description in the form of the car model, engine code, the VIN number, the type of reducer, and other related details. Below, input the contact details for the gas system installation workshop. Using the small icons next to the workshop information field, it is possible to save the entered information to the computer's disk. A saved entry can be easily loaded during the next installation. You also have the option to delete this data or display it in a pop-up window. The Review tab allows you to set a reminder for the required inspection date. For more details on this topic, watch the video titled Inspection Reminder. Remember, after the inspection period expires, every time you switch to gas, the controller will indicate this by producing 10 buzzer sounds via the driver's panel. In the following episode, we will discuss the basic configuration parameters for the gas controller. If this episode was helpful to you, we invite you to subscribe and enable notifications so that you receive information about the publication of the next part. Best regards from the KME Academy team.